Hi friends, Punit here from Sharing What We Learn, and today Miss Chef Gaia has a new recipe for you. Alright Gaia, this is you.
Hello guys. Today we are making pork ribs easily and in 1 hour.
In 1 hour? Really? Okay. So what are our ingredients today?
This is garlic powder,
Uh-huh.
black pepper,
Uh-huh.
apple cider vinegar,
Apple cider vinegar,
barbecue sauce,
and
juice.
apple juice.
Apple juice.
And we have a rack of
And here's
some
our
ribs,
ribs.
and the membrane have already been taken out. Okay, friends, now we're gonna chop the ribs up or separate them. Okay, Gaia, do your ninja chop.
Yeah.
Okay, did you chop it?
Yes.
Okay. Now on to the seasoning. Okay?
Yep.
First you're gonna season with garlic powder.
This is garlic powder.
Yes, this is garlic powder. Okay, you can season it easily. Let me season it and then you can put it on, tap on there, okay?
Yes.
Friends, this is an easiest way you can do it, and trust me, they are gonna turn out fine. We don't need to buy any expensive rubs. I mean, it's all up to your taste. We use
And
garlic.
here's the black pepper.
Yes, garlic powder and black pepper all the time.
Yeah.
Go guys, dab it slowly, dab. Dab it. We gotta do the other side too, please. Okay. Easy dabs.
I'm being
Okay.
in a rush right now.
Now I'm gonna flip it.
Right
Flip
now I'm
it.
in a rush.
Flip it.
I haven't finished it.
Okay. I'm faster than you. Flip it. Okay.
Ew.
Dab it. Uh-oh, missed it.
It's
Dab it.
You put
Dab. Just mix it. There you go. Okay. Okay, Gaia, ready?
Yes.
Now what are we doing?
Now we are on to the cooking.
Okay. Now that's the Instapot. What is that?
Vinegar.
Apple cider vinegar.
And the cider.
Okay. Pour it all. Now here comes the main trick, y'all. And this regular apple juice and barbecue sauce. Just pour half of it, baby.
Because we might like it.
Mm-hmm.
This is it.
Yes. Is that a half? Okay. Now mix it. You can use that to mix it.
What does it sound
That's
like?
it. That's it. Now we put the rack. That one. Yes.
Okay, so
We put the rack
in there.
in there and start putting our
Putting up these
ribs. Okay.
Here, I'll put them.
Okay.
And you
I'll help
pass-
you. And there is no one pattern to put it. You can just put it.
I can put two
Okay.
together.
And friends, you see we chopped it up. That way we can
I'll do this one.
we can easily put them in here. And later we don't have to get messy.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's take this to the
Instapot.
Instapot. And then we will pressure cook them.
Pressure
Pressure cook them for 45 minutes.
45. That's a lot.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you don't keep up?
That's why Gaia said we can cook them in
Instapot.
1 hour. Now we cook it. Make sure your Instapot is on sealing. There you go, friends.
And
We'll see you in how many minutes?
5 minutes.
45.
45.
Alright, friends, we're back. And our Instapot is ready. Make sure
I'm
you
gonna
take the steam off. Be safe. While that's going off, now we're gonna take the ribs and we're gonna cook them on the air fryer.
Power air fryer.
Power air fryer.
That's what it's
Gaia got her barbecue sauce ready to rub onto the ribs. We could use a regular conventional oven or anything, but we want, since Gaia is cooking, we're all using the
Air fryer.
equipment that Gaia can handle. Ooh,
It's
it smells really good.
I smell it too.
Alright, now I'm gonna rack them up here so Gaia can start. Looks pretty good, Gaia.
Yeah.
Be careful, baby. Don't put your hand in there, okay?
But it smells good.
I know. It's hot too.
It's making me eat it. It's
It's making me feel like eating it.
me too.
Is that what you want to say? You look at how nice and tender those are. Okay, guys, start putting sauce on there, baby.
Yeah.
See, the bones are already coming off of it.
That's not good.
That is good. That's what we want to do. Okay, can you move your hand, baby?
Yes.
Okay, as you put the barbecue sauce on, I'm gonna put them onto the air fryer, okay? You see that? How tender it is?
Tender. I'm gonna scoop some of these. Spray it. With the spray
I'm fighting with the last piece on there. Okay, let me come up this way. Brush the sauce. What was the song you said? Brush the sauce last time we made ribs.
What?
You said something like brush the sauce. Okay.
Like brush this sauce around. I can finish the
I'm gonna flip it
I'm
backwards.
faster than you. I'm watching for sure.
For sure.
Oh, I'm gonna hear it.
Look at that. That's what we like to see. Okay, friends,
Wait.
I have a
Where was the piece that I didn't grab?
itty bitty air fryer, so we're just gonna rack it on top of these, and then we're gonna put them for 15 minutes.
Can I try
So
one?
45 there and 15 here. We're
Can
gonna
I
put
try
them for
one?
15 minutes. Yes, Gaia.
I'm gonna try this.
Okay, here you can try it. It's not charred. Okay, while you eat that, let me sure. I'm gonna brush these up. But what I am going to do is, out of the 15 minutes, I'm gonna stop it at 8 more minutes, and I'm gonna flip them around, so that way it gets broiled or charred, gives that extra texture and finishing flavor. Okay. Now onto the air fryer. Now it's according to how your fryers are set up. I'm gonna do that on 350, but I'm gonna set it for 15 minutes. Okay, and I set it on the ribs. How's Gaia doing?
Good.
Is it pretty good?
Yes.
Gaia loves ribs. That's her favorite food, right? Okay. Our friends will see you in 8 minutes. Alright, at 8 minutes, and either you can stop it or anything. My air fryer, when I take it out, it automatically pauses and starts from there. Let's see how we did.
It's
Ooh, look at that. Smells so good, right?
it lets me it makes me eat.
Makes me eat.
I mean
I love when she says that.
I mean make it eat me. I mean make me
I got you, guy. I got you, baby girl.
Okay.
Okay. See, this side, like these, the sauce don't get
We
in
need
there.
to cook it.
We need to brush it again with barbecue sauce.
Brush your teeth.
Mhm.
I felt your ear.
Gaia already tried the one that was just pressure cook, and she cleaned it off the bones.
And I trust it already.
You trash the bones? That's a good job. Always trash it. We let it for hours, right?
Oh, if you have a dog, you can give it to your dog.
No, Gaia.
I need to do that if I have one.
Okay, let me brush it.
Crocodile.
And I'm just brushing it really light
Because you want it
because
to be really tasty.
it just depends upon your taste. Gaia always likes to put some extra sauce even after we cook. But this is just so when we air fry it,
Oh my god.
the sauce can
For him.
get in there.
When can I talk?
Okay. We're ready to put that in the air fryer. Gaia, can you put it in the air fryer for me, please?
Yes.
That is why we are using these kind of equipments to cook, so Gaia can handle them.
Okay, I can do it.
Okay.
No worries.
Ready? You gotta get in there. There we go. Now see, like I told you, my air fryer just starts from where we left off. Temperature, it remembers all the temperature settings and everything. I see you after 8 minutes. Here we are. Got 1 minute left. Almost done. Gaia already got her plate ready. Ready, Gaia?
Yes.
Okay, look.
If you see this,
Ta-da!
means
It's about
it's
ready.
done.
Yes, ma'am. You know that. If you see this, that means it's done. That's how Gaia knows.
it's my brains are growing.
Because your brains are telling you? Yeah. But every air fryer has its own function, Gaia. Okay? The room smells awesome right now. Okay?
Yes.
Let's reveal it.
Let's play Raptor Cedar.
Let me move that.
Let me do that.
Look at that sizzling ribs. Oh my goodness.
Finish.
Okay, Gaia. Let me put that on your plate,
Can
okay?
you get a small piece?
Yes, it's all for you, baby girl. But hold on, let me put it. Don't touch it. It's gonna burn, okay? We are not professionals, but we gotta make it look good.
Like better than before.
Oh, you like it better than before?
Mhm.
Yeah, friends. Guy had a piece that was
That's it.
just
That's
pressure
it.
cooked. Oh, that's it? You think you can eat all that? Need more sauce?
Yeah.
But it looks good, looks good, looks good.